Hello friends! Today we are going to draw a honeybee and talk a little bit about it and about insects in autumn and winter. You probably already know how important bees are for pollination. Thanks to bees, our plants and flowers grow and reproduce constantly. Let's start with big circles. Are they eyes? Not exactly. Draw smaller circles inside the big ones. Draw them close to each other. Add two small dots above. Here we go. These are the eyes, and the bigger ones are glasses. Next, connect your big circles down and up with curvy lines and draw an oval shape down so the body is smaller than the head. Draw a triangle at the bottom of its body. This is the sting of our honeybee. Have you ever been stung by a bee? It can be painful. However, honeybees that are away from their hive usually don't sting human beings. Next, we add two drops. One is big and the other is small for the wings. Our bee also needs some tiny legs. Draw several L shapes for the legs. And of course, the stripes. Next, draw two funny curves for antennas, and let's add a beautiful bow on its head. Do you know that the bees that are responsible for collecting honey are females? So our honeybee should be a girl. We are going to draw using felt tips today, so you can use colors or pencils too. The glasses frame is going to be pink. What color will you choose? Now let's trace the entire drawing and paint the stripes. When we think of bees, the colors that come to mind are black and yellow. In reality, honeybees are much more brown and amber colored. This is one way to distinguish them from wasps. Wasps are distinctively black and yellow. Continue coloring the legs and the eyes. Leave small uncolored dots in each eye. These sparkles will make the eyes look more alive and cute. We take a blue felt tip pen for the wings and do a little trick. Color the wings with a technique called pointillism. Apply lots of tiny dots on the wings, very close to each other. They will seem transparent from a distance. Color the bow and add some shadows on it with black. Of the body should be, of course, yellow. While you're working on it, let me ask you something. Do you know what other insects do in autumn and winter? As winter approaches and the weather gets a bit colder, you will begin to notice more insects and spiders at home. They're looking for a nice warm place to spend the winter. They are called overwintering insects. They sleep during winter, waiting to head back outside when spring arrives. As for honeybees, they stay active throughout the winter. Despite the dramatic drop in temperature during this season, they create their own heat source. As the temperature drops, the worker bees start actively generating heat within the hive. They begin to flex the flight muscles, but their wings don't move. This vibration raises each bee's body temperature, with thousands of bees vibrating in this manner. The temperature at the center of the cluster goes up, creating a warm environment for the bees to stay active. It is always so interesting to get to know new information, isn't it? The honeybee is ready. It looks really cute. Well done. See you soon.